here we go. Review. Abilia. Yes. Abilia 2 points. Martin. Jimenez Garcia. Martin. Martin fires for 3. Wala. Rebate yung 5. Pass to Abilia. Abilia pass to Relio. Relio reverse niya pala. Ball na Martin. Martin now the ball. Martin. Jimenez Garcia. Solas. Solas. Jimenez Garcia jumper. Yes, 2 points Jimenez Garcia. Abilia. Pass to Brillo. Brillo jumper. Wala. Iba kayo 5. 5. Santos. Sayang. Na-foul si Santos. At 1 for Santos. Wala. Iba may bakalan. Bakalan to tayo. Jimenez Garcia. Yes, Jimenez Garcia back to back 2 points for Jimenez Garcia. Abilia. Abilia to Belio. Belio. Pass to Santos. Santos to Abilia. Abilia drives to the hook. 2 points for Abilia. Jimenez Garcia now the ball. To Talio. Talio bakalan. Bakalan jumper. Wala. Wow, Relio. Relio now the ball. Relio. Santos. Yes. 2 points. Santos. Martin on the ball. Martin. Talio. Talio to Bakalan. Bakalan jumper. Yes, 2 points. For Bakalan. Abilia. Abilia. Santos. Oh, yes. Ibanda. 2 points for Santos. Jimenez Garcia. Talio. Talio jumper. Bagay Brillo. Brillo to Santos. Santos. Again. Remaining time, 7:01 minutes. Martin. Martin. Wood. Lusot na. Last touch. Whistle. Whistle Hawks. What? Substitution. Karamihan. Solas out. Abilia. Santos. De La Torre. Bola. Wala. Na-foul. Na-foul si Torre de Bakalan. Second personal foul. Bakalan. Second team foul. Pinom. De La Torre, yes, 1 point for De La Torre. De La Torre, yes, 2 points for De La Torre. Substitution. RPUN, Bakalan out. Jimenez Garcia to Martin. Martin. Pass to Talio. Talio fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by De La Torre. De La Torre to Abilia. Abilia. Santos. Yes. What a nice assist. Divina Gracia. Uy. Symbol. Yes, 3 points, Martin. Abilia. Abilia to Brillo. Dilatore. Dilatore, bola. Yes. Bola shot by Dilatore. Divina Gracia. Pass to Talio. Talio to Divina Gracia. Pass to Martin. Martin. One. There's the foul, Calvin Brown. Yosinko number 6. Personal foul. First team foul, Vincent Hope. Carpio. Jumper. Wala. Foul by Dilatore. To Abilia. Abilia. Santos again. Divina Gracia. On the ball, pass to Tario. Karamihan jumper, wala. Rebound by Dilatore. Dilatore to Abilia. Abilia to run. Santos again. 2 points to Santos. Stagnitas ng Santos. Carvio. Carvio bola jumper. Yes, Aliap. From Carvio. 2 points, Carvio. Remaining time, 4 minutes. Brillo, Abilia. Dilatore. Wow! Timeout. Pino. Okay, back to the ball game. Inbound the progression to Carpio. Carpio now the ball. Pass to Karamihan. Karamihan to Martin. Martin on the ball. Longer more free. Martin. Pass to Karamihan. Karamihan to Martin. Wala. Rebound by Brillo. Dilatore. Abilia. Abilia now. On the ball. Oops. Yosinko jumper. Wala. Rebound again. Jump. Follow shot by Yosinko. Martin on the ball. Ball out jumper. Yes. 2 points, Martin. Abilia. Santos. Dilatore. Wala. Rebound by Carpio. Carpio pass to Divina Gracia. Gukod. Hindi, huwag magukod. Substitution. Rama in. Dilatore out. Abilia to Brillo. Santos. Brillo. Fires for 3. Brillo. 3 points. Martin now on the ball. Pass to Divina Gracia. Back to Martin. Pass to Carpio. Fuego. 3 points for Carpio. Abilia. Abilia drives the hopes, 2 points. Abilia. Giving a Garcia. Martin. Fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Santos on the ball. Uy. Magic na. Santos. Drive to the hoop. Yes. 2 points for Santos. Coast to coast na. Caribbean wala. Rebound save by Carmihan to Carpio. Carpio. Uy. Okay. Basil Hobbs ball. Okay, Abilia. Dito na. Miss ball pass. To Santos. Brilliant. 1 minute. Wala. And 15 seconds. Martin. Yeah, reverse layup by Martin. 2 points. Abilia. Abilia now on the ball. Pass to Rama. Rama fires for 3. Rama! 3 points! Martin. Fires again for 3. Wala. Baka may Martin. Martin agad. Wala. Kaya po. Lumaba yung 5. Abilia. Abilia now on the ball. Abilia. Santos. Walang jumper. Wala. Lumaba yung Brillo. Wala kihapon. Bound by Talio. Martin. Martin. Wala. Lacris. Airball. Abilia. Brillo. Santos. Wow. Otara. Langris. Wala. Bulit naman ito. Brillo. Abilia. Bueno, Marquez! Wala. Martin. Martin, Score. BC Loves 38-18 for Pino. Okay, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter. Okay, Pino ball. Really kicking. So Langris, yep, yes! Magic shoot by Happening Langris. Santos! Uy, magkanino na assist. Yanis. And one for Santos. Yes, 3 points for Santos. Really kitty now. Martin. Martin wala. Rebound by Santos. Santos on the run. Wait. Back to Betis. Betis jumper. Wala. Rebound. Martin. Wait. Out of bounds. Basil ball. Betis. Pass to Rama. Rama fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lacris. Lacris pass to Martin. Martin. Uy. One stick. Uy. Betis on the ball. Betis. Betis. Tumalino. Yosiko wala. Black de Lacris. Martin. Uy. Sabi na ko gigang. Okay. Betis, Joshua Lino. Back to Vianis. Vianis now on the ball. Pass. Uy! Intercepted by Likiti. Likiti pass to Martin. Martin again. Yes, the points for Martin. Okay, Vianis. Vianis now on the ball. Pass to Cinco. So Malinaw fires for three. Wala. Rebound against Giannis now. So Malinaw again. Wala lang yan. Rebound by Langres. Langres now on the ball. Langres ako na lang. Oh, 2 points for Langres. Rama. Trapping defense. What? Pino. So Malinaw. Drama. Drama to Somalino. Somalino. Substitution. Talio. Shot clock 5 seconds. Shot clock 5 seconds. Oh, karamihan. No, wait. Shot. Okay na. Eh, unom ba? Rama, wala. Martin, not the ball. Martin on the run. Martin, jumper. Wow. Fade away shot by Martin. Giannis. Giannis to Somalino. Somalino, fuego! Yes, Somalino is on again at 3 points. Whoop. Martin. Velasquez. Uy. Really kitty. Save by Really kitty. Really kitty na ang goal. Pass to Langres. 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 Oh. Gawas. Torres Talio. Wala. Ibaw na Langres. Langres again. Langres jungle blast by Drama. Ibaw tayo 5. Pass to Somalino. Somalino. Hoy, go for Chris. Wala. Ibaw tayo Martin. Martin. Uy, wala. Time out. Basil Hops. Somalino to Giannis. Giannis down the wall. Pass to Rama. Rama back to Giannis. Giannis back to Rama. Rama, fuego for Chris. Rama, 3 points. Really kitty on the ball. Really kitty. Karamihan. Whoop. Foul. De La Torre. First personal foul, De La Torre. First team foul. Basil Hops. Really kitty. Brilio. Brilio now the ball. Brilio. Pass to Giannis. Oh. Steeping the line. Si Giannis. Pinong ball. Langres now on the ball. Langres. Pass to Talio. Talio. Uy! Side stick man. Around the 12-foot line. Foul Brillo. First personal foul Brillo. Second team foul, Whistle Hawks.
Pwede sila ma?
Otara. Free throw. Yes, Otara. Brilliant. To Giannis. Giannis now on the ball. Giannis to Ramak. Back to Giannis. Giannis. Pass to Malino. So Malino on the ball. Pass to Ramak. Fire for three. Ramak again. 3 points. Back to back 3 points. Yung Rama. Labris. Labris now on the ball. Labris. Otara. Pilipiti. Talio. Talio. Otara. To Labris. Labris. Uy. Silver Giannis. To Sumalino. Sumalino. Ilumpan. Ni Solo. 2 points for Sumalino. Labris. Karamihan to Labris. Langris, we have, yes, 2 points for Langris. Giannis. Giannis now on the ball. Brillo. Brillo. Wait. Boy, steal by Utara. Utara on the ball. Pass to Karamian. Karamian lihat. Wala. Dibaga ng Kitty. Really Kitty guys. Wala. Uy. Ay, na-out si Utara. Sobrahan ka lang eh. Mga masulot. Time out. Pino. Get this now. Pass to Sumalino. Sumalino to Brillo. Brillo. Litag kapasahan. Giannis. Giannis fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Tara. Otara on the ball. Otara. Uy. There's a foul coming from De La Torre. Second personal foul. De La Torre. 13 fouls. Diesel Hawks. Martin to Langris. Langris, Martin. Langris. Langris, back to Martin. Alright, for 3. Martin, 3. Wah, udah tunggu sa Malino. Brother. Okay, Martin bound by Martin. Pass to Langris. Langris on the ball. Langris. Martin fires again for 3. Uy! Martin! Back to back 3 points. Martin. Okay. Giannis. Giannis now on the ball. To Sumalino. Sumalino fires for 3. Wala. Rebound by Otara. Otara on the ball. Otara to Martin again. Martin. Whoop. Wala. Magic pass ni Martin. Na-out si Giannis. Pinong ball. Langris. Langris na doon. Blocking for opening. Oy. Martin fires for 3 again. Martin! 3 points! points na lang ang labaw. Nagkadoon na. Relio. Relio na ang horn. Foul, really kini. First personal foul, really kini. Second foul, Pino. Inbound, Relio. Pass to Rama. Rama jumper. Wala. Rebound ni Lapres. Lapres now on the ball. Lapres again. Layup. Wala. Rebound ni Rama. Rama. Gusto Malino. So Malino drives. Sipay De La Torre. De La Torre. Wala. Wala. Na-foul si De La Torre. Impact. Really key second personal foul. And 13 fouls. Pino. De La Torre, the 12-foot line. Uy! Hugasan pa. Rapid. Okay, second for De La Torre. Yes! De La Torre, 1 point. Substitution. De La Torre out. 5 Inbound. Lagris Torlikiti. Lagris on the ball. Lagris. So play by Sumalino. Martin Myers for 3. Martin Rivers! Upat na. Puting-diin ka na. Itong ganun kumpra ron na. Abilia. Abilia Myers to Prio. Velios. One of them. Lock shot 9 seconds. Shot clock 9 seconds. Shot clock 9 seconds. Uy! Lubot pati. Dito na Lincoln Martin. Inbound by Likini. Likini to Lagris. Lagris fires for 3. Wala. Rebound. Uy! Otara. Wala. Lagris. Uy! Abilia. Pass to Subalino. Fuego! Wala. Rebound by Lagris. 10 seconds remaining. Otara. Uy! What a nice assist coming from Lagris. Rama. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Wow! Wala na sulod. Okay, score. Pino 4-7. Basil up 5-3. 6 points made by Basil up. Uno round, no? Round 19 points. Uno na lang. Okay, Belio. Hasta Villa. Balina. Court. Santos. Yosinko pull-ups. Yes, Yosinko, 2 points. Lagris, Martin, fires for 3. Pull up. Yosinko rebound. Abilia drive, layup. Pull up. Ball by Santos. Yes, Santos. Langris on the ball. Langris. Pass to Martin. Martin. Really gini fires! Wala! Uy! Marama rebound! Abilia, the ball! Abilia! Slashing ko doon! Wala! Na-foul. Really gini, third personal foul. First team foul. Number 3. Si Martinez, sorry. First personal foul. Martin. Abilia, the 12-foot line. Wala sulod. Ikaduha, Itza. Yes, boy. Abilia. Otara. Pass to Likiti. Likiti now the ball. Likiti. Pass to Otara. Otara pull-up jumper. Ako nandang. 2 points. Otara. Abilia. Santos Abilia. Brilio. Yosinko. Oh, nice assist coming from Brilio. Really Kitty. Really Kitty. On the ball. Looking for Otara. Otara again. Otara. Whoop. Steal by Brilio. Brilio. Ako na lang. Wow. Brilio. Really Kitty. Third personal foul number 19. Really Kitty. Second team foul. Pino. Add one for Brilio. Wala. Rebound by Carpio. Carpio now on the ball. Carpio. Whoop. Speed. Hook. Martin. Carpio. Reverse layup. Wow. Carpio 2 points. Uy, Brilio na na. Pass break pass. Santos. Carpio. Carpio now the ball. Carpio. Relikiti. Pass to Martin. Martin pass to Carpio. Carpio to Otara. Otara pass to Talio. Oops. Relikiti jumper. Wala. Rebound kay Sito. Abilia. Ako lang Santos. Uy, wala. Igawas. Another shot. Yes. Walang shot to Santos. Bola. Talio. To Otara. Otara fires for 3. Wala. Airball. Babay. Abilia now on the ball. Abilia. Rama. Fires for 3. 3 points. Rama. Time out. Pino. Okay, score. Pino 5-1. Basil 6-9. 18-point lead by Basil Hawks. Okay. Bantayan to Martin. Martin now the ball. Martin. Jumper. Wala. Rebound by Brilio. Brilio on the ball. Brilio. Layup. Yes. Cross the ball. Brilio. 2 points. Languis now the ball. Languis. Pass to Carpio. Carpio priors for 3. Wala. Short. Foul by Abilia. Abilia now the run. Abilia. Doon sa Malino. Whoops. So Malino. Wala. Uy, ito Martin. Martin on the ball. Martin. Oops. Foul na. Foul is 5. Second personal foul is 5. First team foul, Basil Hawks. Substitution. Karamihan in out Carpio. Okay, Martin. Bounce. Uy! Still by Bianis. Bianis now the ball. Bianis. Wala cover. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Santos reverse it up. Yes. Reverse it by Santos. Langris. Langris. Martin fires for three. Martin! 3 points! Yanis. Yanis na the ball. Yanis. To Brilio. Brilio. Brilio to Yanis. Bueno! Wala. Sunod. Rebound by Kwakana. To Martin. Martin. Martin, speed. Jump shot. Yes, 2 points for Martin. Brilio. Santos jumper. Wow. 2 points for Santos. Langris. Langris now the ball. Pass to Martin. Fires for 3. Uy, wala. So, Malinaw. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Santos palong shoot. Santos again. Uy. Steal by Giannis. Ako na lang. Wala. Sunod. Rebound. Uy, nagkapag man si Giannis. First personal foul. Giannis. First team foul. Langris. Langris. Langris now on the ball. Langris, yep. Wala, rebound by Brilio. Uy. Foul si Karamihan. First personal foul, Karamihan. 13 fouls. Pinog. Okay, back to the ball game. Yanis now on the ball. Yanis Subalinog. Subalinog Santos. Uy, one hand shot by Santos. Wala. Rebound by Langris. Langris. Uy, out si Langris. Out si Langris. Okay, Subalinog. To Yanis. Yanis now on the ball. Pass Santos. Relio. Relio. Uy! Kalindot ito. Wala ko siguro. Montara. Montara now on the ball. Montara. Pass to Martin. Martin! 3 points! Uy, mura mo si Steve Carrot. Sa Pilipinas. Ka-uno, ka-pito. Yanis now on the ball. Santos. Yung 5 to. Sumalinog. Sumalinog. Santos. Wala. Ana, Santos again. 2 points. Martin again. Martin. 3. So no for those 3. Bawal ka na 3. Bigyan siya dito ng big record. So Malinaw, lansing for 3. Lang, wala. So Malinaw again. Jumper. Uy, meron tayo padulitan. So Malinaw. Martin again. Wala. 3 sinor. Wala. Floating siya. Floating siya. Pero Martin. Santos. Santos clean up. Yes. 2 points. Langris. Montara. Montara now. Montara. Back to Langris. Oh. Foul. Dennis. Second personal foul. Dennis. 13 foul. Basil Hobbs. Martin to Langris. 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 Martin again. Wala. Short. Uy. Rebound by Langris. Langris. Bakalan. Uy. Pasa. So, malinaw. Uy. Wala. Nasunod. Martin on the ball. Martin. Fires again for three. Wala. Short. Rebound by... Uy. Bakalan. That's out si Bakalan. Get this now ball. Brelu. Pass do Somalino. Somalino to Santos. One hand siya to'y wala. To Martin. Martin on ball. Martin. Martin speed. Drives, wala. Rebound na Utara. Utara number. Yes, Utara. No points. Okay, that is. That is now passing for three. Yes! 3 points! Oh, Pastor Peter shoot by Yanis. Okay, back to the ball game. You are now in the last fourth quarter. Final quarter. Team live. Inbound. Botara. Langris. Langris now. Otara fires to three. Wala. Rebound by Carpio. Carpio jumper. Yes! Carpio to points. Abilia. Dilatori. Wala. Rebound by Brillo. Brillo. Oh. Nay foul. Foul Velasquez. Second personal foul Velasquez. First team foul. Pino. Inbound Brillo. Dilatori. Dilatori daw Pila. Oh, si Mar wala isunod. Brillo. Rebound by Otara. Otara. Oy, Carpio. 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 Oh, jumper gas. Cross the coast man. Ni Carpio. Abilia. Brillo. Rama fires for three. Rama. 3 puntos. Martin. Martin. Fires for three. Wala. Oximar. Abilia. Abilia yung lompat. Wala. Rebound by Langris. Langris on the ball. Langris. Jumper foul. Dilatori, third personal foul. First team foul, Vincent Hawks. Langris. Langris. Relegiri fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Brillo. Brillo now on the ball. Brillo lay up. Yes. Uy, na-foul ba yun? Add one. Roar Brillo. Number 19, Relegiti for personal foul. Warning for condition. Brillo. Wala. Rebound by Otara. Otara. Langris. Langris. Wala yung foul. Foul Dilatori na sa. Fourth personal foul Dilatori. Warning for condition. Langris. Yes, 1 point for Langris. Second. 2 points for Langris. Amelia. Brelio. Brelio again. Wala. Rebound De La Torre. De La Torre again. Rebound De La Torre. Wala kapag. Rebound de Langris. Langris. Liap. Yes. 2 points for Langris. Amelia. Uy. Steven Lekiti. Uy. Pasa ka Brelio. Lambing. Langris on the ball. Langris. Size pick, wala. Rebound by De La Torre. De La Torre sa Amelia. Amelia na cross. Uy, Bill Militara. Kickball, violation, kickball.
Ayaw ka talo. Relax lang.
Submission. Okay, value. Rama. Rama again. Rama. Amelia. Rama. Last for three. Wala. Ball by Brillo. Brilliant speed. Whoop. The foul. Otara. First personal foul. Otara. 14 fouls. At 30 fouls. Wala. Ikaduhang sa Brillo. Uy, 1 point for Brillo. Uy, Martin, bars for 3, wala. Basa. Uy, wala. Out. Nalipat. Amelia. Round. Bars for 3, wala. Rebound by Langris. Langris, Otara. Otara. Uy! Nervous liya pula. Rebound by Brillo. Brillo. Wala. Gamitag wala. Martin. Otara. Otara pull-up jumper. Yes, Otara, 2 points. Rama. Amelia. Amelia liap. Yes, 2 points. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Score, Binom 76, 98, Basil Hawks. Okay. Inbound, Divine Gracia. Velasquez. Velasquez now on the ball. Velasquez. Uy! Bianis. Pass to Oximar. Hindi gamitag wala. Oximar, 2 points. Otara. Otara na on the ball. Otara. Pass to Karamihan. 2 points. Yanis. Yanis now. Oximar. Wala. Up grip. So malinaw Pars. Wala. Rebound by Karamihan. Still by Oximar. Oximar. Speed. Pasa dia. Yanis 5 for 3. Yanis. Oh no, no, straight. Divine Gracia. Divine Gracia. Otara. Otara. Here, Solas. Uy, wala. Uy. Santos. Santos on the run. Santos, Sumalino. Pass to Beatriz. Uy, back to Sobalino. Wala, temple. Uy. Ang Beatriz. Ituhin ng Beatriz. Jimena Gracia. Pass for 3. Uy, wala. Wala, out. Out, Pino. Basil Hook, goal. Oximar. Somalino. Oximar. Giannis. Santos. Somalino. Reverse niya. Yes. Jimena Gracia. Jimena Gracia now. Velasquez. Vargas, wala. Ball by Santos. Santos now on the ball. Santos. Whoop. Wala. Ball by Velasquez. To Sulas. Sulas now on the ball. Sulas. Velasquez. Jumper. Yes, Velasquez. 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Giannis, wala. Rebound by Giannis again. Santos. Uy, wala. Jumper shot by Santos. Uy, Santos, deal with Santos. Uy, na-foul. Foul in Gracia. Time out. The ball game. Remaining time 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Okay. Uy, wala. Isilot. Santos again. Uy, pag-pin-pin rin ito ata. Santos. Lapres, fire for 3. Wala. Rebound by Carmian. Carmian jumper. Wala. Sure. Abilia. Santos again. Lihok na tinda ni Ron. Abilia. Ako na lang. Abilia 2 points. Talio. Lapres. Jimena Gracia. Uy! Wow, may nilatoy. Somalino. Wah! Pagpiro na kita. Dapat kinitsure for mga t-shirt. Talio to Jimena Gracia. Velasquez. Sobals! Nagsa. Isit na time. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Remaining time, 1 minute. Okay. Back to the ball game. Giannis fires for 3. Giannis rebounds. Talio on the ball. Talio liap. Wala disulot. Rebound by Somalino. Uy, yan MVP ni Kiniron. Jimena Gracia now. Vasculares fires for 3. Wala. Irasol. Talio rebounds. Uy, 15 seconds na lang. 15 seconds. Abilia. Wala. Okay, congratulations, Basil Hobbs, for winning the game. Player of the game goes to... Uy, no other than Santos. Number 3, player of the game, Santos. De Los Santos. De Los Santos, picture sa tadri. De Los Santos, makadawat kag jersey gikan sa Kingpin Cebu.
Problema niya.
Second game,